कैसे हैं आप सब। तो ये लेक्चर नंबर 3 होगा अपना। जो पहली दोनों वीडियोस बनाई हैं वो बहुत अच्छी चल रही हैं, आप भी प्लीज़ उनको जाके ज़रूर देखें। अगर नहीं देखा तो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा। बहुत अच्छी वीडियोस हैं, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं और बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस मिल रहा है बच्चों की साइड से, मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है। ठीक है, तो अब लेक्चर नंबर 3 शुरू करते हैं। बिफोर दैट एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट वंस अगेन, चैनल पे न्यू है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर कर लें अगर अच्छी लगी हो, और इस नंबर पे जो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप है वो ज्वाइन कर लें। मैं डायरेक्ट लिंक जो है वो इसका आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा, सो गो देयर एंड जस्ट ज्वाइन इट। स्टार्ट करते हैं जल्दी से वीडियो को। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, वेदांत लिमिटेड इज अ कंपनी विद अ डिक्रीजिंग EBIT. द कंपनी हैज़ अ सिग्निफिकेंट अमाउंट ऑफ डेट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डिबेंचर्स एंड फर्दर बोरोइंग्स थ्रू डिबेंचर could exacerbate the situation. Which factor determining the capital structure is the CFO of Vedant Limited primarily concerned about? So इसमें इंटरेस्ट कवरेज रेशो आएगा कि कंपनी डेट तो ले रही है, क्या कंपनी इंटरेस्ट पे करने के लिए केपेबल है या नहीं है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी स्ट्रेटेजिक फोकस ऑफ द कंपनी कंसिडरिंग इट्स द कंप्लीट मैन टैगलाइन, top position in the menswear industry and long-standing collection that has enriched a modern gentleman's wardrobe for decades. तो इसका आंसर होगा establishing a unique identity. Question number 3, assertion planning and controlling are interdependent and interlinked. क्या प्लानिंग और कंट्रोलिंग जो है वो इंटरडिपेंडेंट और इंटरलिंक्ड होती हैं? यस। देन रीजनिंग, planning provides the goals and objectives that the controlling function uses to measure performance. तो इसका आंसर जो है होगा ऑप्शन कौन सी है यहाँ पे? बी। बोथ A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Then statement 1, channel of distribution is important as goods are produced at one place and customers are scattered all over in the nook and corner of the country. So the producer needs to distribute the goods through middlemen. Yes, true. Then physical movement of goods is transportation of goods from place of production to the place of ultimate consumption. This is also true. So option C is the correct answer. Then fifth question, which scenario BEST best illustrates the impact of rapidly changing technology on businesses? So its answer is C. A traditional brick and mortar retailer is forced to choose its door after online retailers offer lower prices and wider selection of the products. Then question number 6, Daniel and Andrew are two friends engaged in their respective businesses. Daniel concentrates on producing products that meet the needs of the producers and sell whatever is produced by any means necessary. Andrew believes in achieving the firm's goals through understanding the needs of the consumers and delivering the right product to them and constantly monitoring the competitors. Which marketing philosophies do Daniel and Andrew adhere to in their businesses? So its answer is option B, selling and marketing both. Question number 7, identify the picture of coordination illustrated in the picture. ठीक है, तो इसमें आंसर क्या होगा जी? इंटीग्रेट ग्रुप एफर्ट। सिंपल है, ये ग्रुप एफर्ट्स जो है ना उसको इंटीग्रेट कर रही है ये इमेज। देन 8, रीड द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स, असर्शंस एंड रीजन, चूज द करेक्ट ऑल्टरनेटिव फ्रॉम दोज गिवन बिलो. The supervisory level performs the activities according to the plans of top and middle level management. True. And then the supervisory level motivates the employees and boosts their morals. ये ठीक है बट इसकी करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं है, तो ऑप्शन बी जो है इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा. Then which of the following statements accurately represent one of the protective function of SEBI in real life scenario? So its answer is D. It monitors and regulates the securities market to protect investors and maintain market integrity. Question number 10. A company's sales have been declining for the past 3 quarters. The managers has decided to implement a new control system to try to improve the sales. Which of the following control system would be the most effective in this situation? So answer is a budget system that sets targets for sales as well as for the profits. Question number 11. Miss Arundhati, the CEO of Sun Life Limited, is delivering a speech to a group of investors. She is emphasizing the significance of company's success and achievement, which relies on the support of the customers, shareholders, suppliers, and intermediaries. She also discusses how establishing a positive association with these parties contributes to enhancing the company's public image in the market. So its answer is to build relationship with the stakeholders. Next, question number 12. Which step of the organizing process involves stating the job description, a document that clearly defines the contents and responsibilities related to the job? So it is assignment of duties. Then question number 13. Question number 13. So price is the amount that a consumer pays for it. So इसका आंसर जो है ना ये मैच करेगा कहाँ से? First is matched with fourth. Then promotion, it helps to grab the attention of the customers, influence them to buy the product. Again यहाँ पे एक वो बना हुआ है ना रेडियो स्पीकर सा, रेडियो टाइप सा कुछ, ठीक. Then product is a commodity produced or built to satisfy the need the इंडिविजुअल और अ ग्रुप, ठीक है. तो इसका आंसर इसके साथ जो मैच कर रही है ऑप्शन दैट इज सेकंड. एंड देन लास्ट इज प्लेस, तो ये बच गया जो हमारा, ये इसके साथ आ जाएगा. तो द करेक्ट आंसर जो है दैट इज ऑप्शन सी. देन 14th, स्टार्टअप 20 इंडिया चेयर चिंतन वैष्णव highlighted the G20 startup group's goals of pushing for 1 trillion investment in the global startup ecosystem. Which of the following dimensions of the business environment will this goal most likely to influence? It is option B, foreign policy of the government. Then question number 15. What is the significance of delegation in the scenario where Sarah as a superior and trusts her authority to Tiara, her subordinate, to enable her learnings, skill development and better chances of promotion? It is employees development. Then question number 16. The GST Council during its 50th meeting resolved a prolonged debate on the tax treatment of online gaming, casinos and horse racing, deciding to impose 28% levy on the bets and wagers for all three activities and amend GST laws to include online gaming. Which of the following is the most likely impact of GST Council's decision on the business in the industry? So its answer is option A, the cost of doing business will increase, leading to higher prices for the consumers. Then question number 17th. What aspect of the professional is exemplified in the scenario where Aisha needs to register herself as a member of ICAI to become a chartered accountant? So it's simple question है, इसका आंसर होगा professional association. Then question number 18. Which of the following is a result of globalization that has contributed to rationalization of tariff structure? So it is government facing pressure to reduce barriers to attract foreign investment. Then 19th question, Zebronics Technology Solutions, a leading tech company, recently announced its plan to raise additional funds to fuel its expansion and research initiatives. The company's board of directors approved an offer to the existing shareholders to purchase additional shares at a discounted price. This offer will be available for a specific period. How is Zebronics Technology Solutions planning to raise additional funds in the primary market while offering its existing shareholders the opportunity to purchase more shares? So its answer is option D, issue right shares for the existing shareholders at a discounted price. 20th last question, given below are two statements marked as 1 and 2. Read the statements and choose the correct option. Statement 1. Demutualization refers to legal structure of an exchange whereby the ownership, the management and the trading rights at the exchange are segregated from one another. This is true. Demutualization refers to the process by which a public share company converts into mutual company. तो ये तो गलत है, तो इसका आंसर होगा statement 1 is true, second one is false. So lecture number 3 is complete for top 20 MCQs, very important multiple choice questions. सो आई होप आपको इससे थोड़ी सी क्लैरिटी जो है वो होनी शुरू हो गई होगी कि कौन से मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस करने हैं, कौन से छोड़ने हैं. सो ये आई फील प्रिविलेज टू हेल्प यू पीपल आउट, मेरे को अच्छा लगता है, ठीक है। तो आप अगर वीडियो को लाइक करेंगे, शेयर करेंगे, मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करेंगे तो और भी ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा। मैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलता हूँ, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, ध्यान रखें और वीडियोज़ को प्यार देते रहें। मैं आपको नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में मिलता हूँ। थैंक यू, बाय।